we have given fractional equation. First, let's check what we have on the left side. We have subtraction of algebraic fraction. So we know that to subtract algebraic fractions we need to have the same denominator. We have x plus 1 and x minus 1. So the common denominator will be x plus 1 times x minus 1. So let me rewrite one more time our equation. And we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 over. So like I said, we have to multiply these two denominators, so it would be x plus 1 times x minus 1 common denominator, because we have only x plus 1 at the beginning in the first algebraic fraction, so we need to multiply times x minus 1. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. The same will be with the second algebraic fraction. We have x minus 1, so I need to multiply times x plus 1. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with the numerator. So now we have 1 times x minus 1 is x minus 1 minus we have 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1 over. So this is equal, right side we will rewrite. What else? Now the same denominator, so we copy denominator, and we have x plus 1 times x minus 1. What it is? It is difference of two perfect squares formula. Let me remind you, when we have a minus b times a plus b, this is equal a square minus b square. In our example, a is equal x and b is equal 1. So now in denominator we can write that we have x squared minus 1, and we have to subtract numerators. So we have to copy x minus 1, we have minus, and before this whole expression we have negative sign, so we have to put this in parentheses. This is equal, and we have to rewrite the right side. Now we see that the denominators on the left side and on the right side are the same. So when the left side will be equal to the right side? Only when numerators will be equal. So we can forget about denominators and we will compare only numerators. So we have x minus 1, negative sign before parentheses, so we have to change the sign. So it will be negative x, negative and positive, so it will be negative 1. This is equal x squared plus 2x plus 1, x and negative x, so this will reduce. So we have only negative 2 only, this is equal, and we have x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is square of sum x plus 1. Let me remind you formula. When we have a plus b to second power, this is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In our example, a is equal x and b is equal 1. So we can rewrite our right side. We are start from this side to that. So we will have x plus 1 to second power on the right side. On the right side we have x plus 1 to second power. So this will be always positive or equal 0. It will never be negative. And on the left side we got negative 2. So we cannot find the real solution for this equation, because on the right side we have always positive or equal 0 value. For x equals negative 1, we will have negative 1 plus 1 will be 0, but for different value than -1, we will always have here positive number, and positive is not equal to -2. So what it means? It means that the left side is not equal to the right side. We don't have real solution for our fractional equation. So we can write that we don't have real solution. The equation does not have this is my solution.